Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a password for your HP Compaq 250. To set up a password, go to the settings. In the settings, go to accounts, and now you'll see sign in options. Click on that. And now you should see pin. Click on it. And now you can, if you don't have a pin, you'll have a button to set pin. And if you do have but want to change it, you'll see a button to change pin. Then click on the button that you have. And now you can, if you're setting a new pin, then you'll have only two fields, the new pin and confirm pin. And if you are changing it, then you'll have three fields, where the first one will be your current pin. So I'm gonna enter the current pin now. And now you can set a new pin. If you want to include letters and symbols, you can check that checkbox. If you don't check it, then you can only use the numbers. So I'm gonna actually disable that and set a number pin. Then I'm gonna go to confirm pin, and if they were both entered the same, and if the previous pin was entered correctly, then after clicking on OK, everything should work. And now whenever you log into your laptop, it should ask you for the pin, and it will work with that one. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.